In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Do you know why people start using drugs? For two reasons. For several reasons, I do have the two major in my mind at the moment. First of all, there are people who want to be happy, be happy, who want to feel excited, excitement, high, feeling high, excitement, happiness, ecstasy. These people are foolish people because seeking ecstasy through drugs, the cost is very high, very, very high. Health, life, respect, money, everything else gets consumed at a faster pace. There are people who are not seeking happiness through harmless, legitimate means. They don't think that we can draw happiness from those, although there are innumerable, countless ways to seek happiness, to draw happiness from the natural things, from the from the activities which are harmless, which are ethical, moral, legitimate, lawful, legal, sustainable. Sustainable because there is no harm. If a person is drawing happiness from say from painting, from tours, travels, meeting positive people, spending time with the positive people, natural beauty, music, meditation, prayer, reading good books. There are countless, cannot be even counted. Start a hobby which gives you happiness, good pastime. Spend a good amount of time on walk or physical exercises. It will give you happiness, plenty of it. So there are many ways to become happy, to seek happiness from the legal, ethical, moral, legitimate, harmless ways. If at all we are paying enough amount of time to it and want to be restricted to it as well, those who want to be restricted to it, they need to develop self discipline, self control, self discipline, self control. They should learn to control themselves, their impulses. Their impulses must be kept under the control. Avoiding the people who are using drugs because their company will might make you an addict as well. The people who have made their life very complicated by severing their relationship with the people around them. Never do this, because those who have done it, they seek happiness through, they seek quick happiness, fast happiness through drugs, because they want to escape from that hell which they themselves have created. Don't try to create a kind of hell for yourself by severing your relationship with the people. Even if somebody has done something bad, if it is trivial, forgive them. If it is slightly big, we can say that Allah Rabbul Izzat will give me the compensation on the day of judgment. And then if it is even bigger, we can knock the door of the courts of law of the country, the state. We should seek the help from the state, from the courts. But never ever put yourself in the huge amount of mental stress, because it will kill us, because it will destroy us, and we don't want to be destroyed. We want to live a long happy life. The aim should be that I do have to live a long happy life. Once we are having an aim like this one, and we are keeping this thing in our mind for all the time, and we want to do everything else according to it, we want to live a long happy life, a long happy and purposeful life, contributing something, doing something great. If this is kept at the top, and we make a commitment with ourselves, with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, that I shall not be doing anything else which might damage this cause of mine, this top priority of mine, I think so that, and I shall seek happiness on a sustainable basis, on the by the things which does not harm my health, which does not damage my health at all, which does not damage and harm my respect, my reputation, which does not spoil my financial situation, because I want to seek the happiness on a sustainable basis through the legal and legitimate means. I don't want excitement, I don't want thrill, I don't want to feel high, because all of these things leads to the drugs. Be happy. Be happy on a sustainable basis, and that is possible with the talk we have discussed it. With the talk, mean the it is not very complicated. First of all, we must keep this thing very clearly in our mind, that I want to lead a long, happy, and purposeful life. I don't want to spoil it by engaging with the negative people, by engaging with the criminals, by engaging myself in seeking revenge, in nurturing the grudge in my mind, by having so much of the jealousy with the people. I don't want to do that. I do want to keep myself busy in the positive activities, in the constructive activities, in the activities which are beneficial for me on the one hand, which are beneficial for the other people on the other hand. I want to put myself, I want to engage myself in a kind of win-win situation. And a win-win situation is the one. Always try to be a contributor. Always try, because being a contributor, it enhances our self-esteem. It gives us the self-esteem. It raises our self-image. It makes us feel pride. It makes us feel great, and it will be a lot more helpful in the life hereafter, in the court of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, on the day of judgment. As simple as this one. No complication involved in it at all. Don't try to make your life complicated. Don't try to make your life complicated. Do not try to make your life unnecessarily difficult. But never ever seek feeling high, feeling excited, because these things leads to drugs. Never ever keep the revenge or the grudge, seeking revenge, feelings of seeking revenge from the people, having grudge, feeling jealousy, because all of these things are quite a negative emotion, and these negative emotions actually generate further negative emotions, and these things actually make our life complicated enough. These emotions make our life difficult enough. We don't want to make our life difficult. We don't want to make our life complicated. We don't want to live a very short and unhealthy life. Rather, we want to live a long, healthy, happy, and purposeful life. That is only possible by removing each and every sort of grudge from our mind, by removing each and every sort of jealousy feelings from our mind. Thank you, Jazakallah.